Hi everyone, come back to this topic again, 1.3, where we look at the prokaryotic cells and what are the learning outcomes that you need to achieve in this case. So we need to outline the key structural features of a prokaryotic cells. I focus on they are unicellular, generally 1 to 5 micrometer diameter. They do have cell wall, but the cell wall material is peptidoglycan rather than the cellulose. They have circular DNA. They do have ribosome, but 70S ribosome only. And they don't have double membrane bound organelle. And most of the single membrane bound organelles, like such as rough ER, smooth ER, Golgi apparatus, okay, they don't have, okay, or absence of those kind of organelles. And yep, a common question will ask us to compare the prokaryotic cells found in the typical bacteriums. Yeah, okay, be careful, bacterium, okay, with the structure of the typical eukaryotic cells in plant and animal. Okay, so let us start now. So Vibrio chloride is a prokaryotic organism, is a type of bacteria. So now you can see that the structure A, B, C, D, E, and F together with G. So we need to identify those structure. So first of all, okay, provide motility. So definitely will be F, okay, because F, you can see that the flagella, okay. So store genetic information definitely must be a DNA. So in this case, the answer is G. So you can see that the circular DNA here, right? Okay. Then partially permeable or selectively permeable. So it must be it must be cell surface membrane. So you can see that first layer here is a capsule. So second layer, okay, E here must be the cell wall. So membrane, yeah, point to this region. So answer is C. Okay, composed of murines or peptidoglycan. So it must be the cell wall. As I mentioned just now, the cell wall must be E below the protective layer of the capsule. Okay. And sites of translation. Translation basically means that the polypeptide synthesis. So it must be ribosome. Don't forget, okay, from now onwards, always remember when you write the ribosome, it can be 70S or 80S. Yeah. So this is a prokaryotic cells. So definitely 70S ribosome here. So answer A is the answer. Okay, A is ribosome. Now, what about A, B, C? Yep, B is a cytoplasm. Okay, D might be some granule, okay, the storage granule. Okay, E we know that is a cell wall. F and G. F is a flagellum. Sorry, G is the DNA, circular DNA. Yep. So in this case, to be a better answer, so it must be circular DNA. Okay, so this is a transmission electron micrograph of the organism that causes tuberculosis, or we call this as a mycobacterium tuberculosis. In infectious diseases. You're going to learn this. So because this is a prokaryote, so three features of prokaryote. So DNA is not surrounded by nuclear envelope, so or they don't have a true nucleus. The ribosome must be 70S ribosome, and they don't have membrane-bound organelles present, such as mitochondria and chloroplast. Okay, if I have more point to write, I will write it as, okay, features of prokaryotic cells, peptido, presence of peptidoglycan. So, okay, another answer that you can put it in. So Staphylococcus aureus is a bacteria that causes many different infectious diseases. Okay, so yep, it shows structure as aureus. Cell structures such as mitochondria, AR, okay, lysosome, chloroplast are found only in eukaryotic cell. These are not present in figure 1.3.1.3. The reference to figure 1.3.1.3, okay, with reference, so means that you need to look at this diagram and state the features that support the S aureus is the prokaryotes. Okay, so first of all, you must make sure that check the diagram. So no, okay, in this case, no nuclear envelope, okay, or true nucleus present. You can't see a nucleus, absent of nucleus. DNA, you can see that the circular, okay, and DNA is not associated with histone protein, right? You won't see the histone protein, okay, and plasmids are present. Those are plasmids, yeah. Okay, these are the circular DNA. Now, what's the difference between plasmid and circular DNA? So circular DNA will be longer in this case. Plasmid is a accessory in this case. Not all bacterial cells will have plasmid, but plasmid is something like the extra copy or extra DNA material. Okay, so yeah, I can't say peptidoglycan cell wall, right? Because we don't know the cell wall, right? In this case, you can't see that, okay, the structure of peptidoglycan, right? So I can't put it in here because features that visible here that support that this is a prokaryote rather than eukaryotic cells, because eukaryotic cell, plant cells, they do have cell wall as well, right? Okay. So question 2. Okay, so yeah, the bacterium in figure 1.3.2.1 example prokaryotic cells. So we have each of description A to C describe the cell structure found in prokaryotic cells in plants and in plant cells. Okay, so we name the structure and what is the difference, right? Okay, so first, the site of polypeptide synthesis definitely will be ribosome. Both plant cells have ribosome, but prokaryotic ribosome are 70S compared to the plant ribosome, which are 80S. Yep. So one difference. So side by side comparison. Now, next, the genetic material, okay, of the cells. Yep. Both of the cells, prokaryotic cells as well as eukaryotic cells. Okay, or plant cells, we do have this DNA. But what is the main difference between the DNA? Prokaryotic cells' DNA is circular, whereas in plant cells, the DNA is linear. So, or we can say that no histone protein associated with the prokaryotic DNA, or we call it a naked DNA. Unlike in plant cells, the DNA associated with histone proteins. Okay, either one, you can choose either one. The structure provide the rigid shape, yeah, to the cells and prevent osmotic lysis. So those are cell wall, but the cell wall is made of murin or peptidoglycan in prokaryotes, but plant cells it is made of cellulose. Yeah? So cell wall, murines or peptidoglycans in prokaryotes, but in plant cells made of cellulose. Right? Very, very simple. Question 3. Okay, name 3 structure present in animal cells. Now we compare animal cells which are not present in the cell shown because this is a bacterium. Okay, Erwinia keratovorans. Okay, the bacteria that infect carrots. Okay, so in this case, yep, name 3. So in this case, present in animal cell but absent in the prokaryotic cell. So nucleus or mitochondria. Okay, nucleus of mitochondria, but not chloroplast. Yeah, don't mention chloroplast because in animal cells, okay, lysosome. You can talk about ER as well, Golgi apparatus, yeah, and the ribosome that can be found in the animal cell, which is 80S ribosome, but not the 70S. Okay. So Candida albicans is a yeast-like fungus that live in the human lung. It is the causative agent of one of the opportunistic infection. Opportunistic infection, you will learn this in chapter 10, infectious diseases that may develop during AIDS, right? Okay, so we have H, J, K, and L. So name H to L. Okay, H, you can see that the structure point to the nucleolus. Okay, if I want to do about nucleus, I will point to the center regions of the nucleus, right? So the answer here, nucleolus. J, so you can see that cisternae, but without interconnect. They're not interconnected. So therefore, J must be Golgi apparatus. K, K, you can see that thick cell wall, right? It's a cell wall, but be careful, this is not a cellulose cell wall because it's yeast-like fungus. So when you use the word yeast-like fungus, the cell wall actually is a chitin cell wall, yeah. Okay, the cell wall is formed by chitin, by using chitin rather than cellulose. So in this case, okay, either you say cell wall or chitin cell wall. Okay, now L, this is the part. Now, because L point to the membrane, a lot of students write as tonoplast. Be careful, take note. If tonoplast, then for plants only, yeah. Okay, you can find this in plants only. Okay, so yeah, the answer we can just say that a vacuolar membrane. Okay, just put it as a vacuolar membrane. Okay, state two way in which the structure of prokaryotic cell differ from the one that shows. So we know that prokaryotic cells have no double membrane bound organelle, right, such as nucleus and mitochondria. Okay, so but don't mention chloroplast because we can't get chloroplast. Yeah, no chloroplast. Okay, in fungi. Okay, or fungal cells. All right. Okay, and prokaryotic cell is circular DNA or plasmids and do not have linear DNA. Okay, and you can talk about other structure as well. What else you can talk about this? Okay, talk about a how it differ from that shown. Okay, don't talk about 70S ribosome because fungal cells do have 70S ribosome. Okay, talk about the peptidoglycan. So, yeah. So, yep. So that's all for this part. Okay. So, yep. We're going to have another sessions. Okay, for the last part of the topic where we look at the microscope as well as this resolution magnification. Okay. So see ya.